Hey fam, so I should have done this before, but our couch is arriving and I don't think I've ever done a proper like home kind of tour, but I want us to do it before and after. So we're gonna take a look at the house now. This is as you walk in, our foyer. Let's go. And then we're gonna see, let's flip it around. So this is what we're looking like now. This couch, I put it in here, was here, but this is the room right now. And so I'm super excited. We're finally getting our freaking couch and we get to see what it looks like when things are fully done. So in the next video, I'm gonna like snap my fingers, boom, and there's gonna be a couch there. Because that's how movie magic works, right? So it's so large. It is like insanely large. This box is huge. This show is massive. I've been waiting for this couch for like 2 months. This shit better fit. This is some real teamwork. Dang, I didn't even think about getting it in our house too. Naked. I'll push it back. This one is wild.
Man, had to sell this with the spot.
Yeah.
Then y'all had it.
I'm like,
No, yeah.
now I'm gonna come over to what's called the island right here.
Now, to get it, we need to clear the world first. But we don't gonna turn no more until we get it in first. Yeah, just slide that back if you can. Hey, I'm gonna go back.
And not no
Just-
more. Slide.
Yeah. I'm the Anglo King, gonna learn that.
I see.
You saw me go.
So look.
This couch ain't never leaving.
Side, the back gonna hit the wall.
No, you good. Look, I'm gonna lift up
Okay.
and just.
Woo!
Flip it down this way.
And I can move the table out. Oh my gosh! That's crazy! It fits!
Yeah.
Did it barely fit in this building?
You get that birthday?
It was my birthday 2 days ago.
Huh?
2 days ago. It was
Oh,
my
really?
birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yo, the couch is here! I love it! Ah! Okay, video to come. We did it. We got the couch and Lord knows I didn't think it was gonna happen. This is insane.